All right, hello everybody. This one's just a quick little video to show you how to use Office Lens for creating PDF files. So I made a little screen recording with my phone, so it's just my phone screen. There's my Jeep in the background. If you have any questions about Jeeps, let me know. Anyways, so what I did here, I'll press play and you'll see that I click on the App Store and then I typed in Lens and then I went down one step there, Microsoft Lens. You can see it's already in my phone. So I just went out. Once it's in your phone, if you're looking for it, swipe down to the middle, type in Lens, open the app. So there's the course outline for this course. And you can see it kind of grabs the corners if you have a bit of a contrast background. And then I clicked on Add, the bottom left one there. And then take the picture again, pressing the white button, click Confirm, click the little arrow on the side, say you're done. And then I select go to PDF, and you can go to phone storage or OneDrive, whatever you wish. You just got to be able to get that file and submit it. So my preference is typically email. I do email to myself. Yeah. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Message me on the D2L site or on Teams. All right. Talk to you later. Figure out what window to go to.